Problem set 1, question number 6, first one. 2 by x plus 2 by 3y equal to 1 by 6 and 3 by x plus 2 by y equal to 0. So this equation we can write as 2 into x is in the denominator. So 1 by x plus here 2 by 3 into 1 by y. This we can write like this, equal to 1 by 6. Consider this as equation 1. Next, similarly second one, 3 into 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y equal to 0. Consider this as equation 2. Now substitute 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y is equal to n in equation 1 and 2. So what happens here? Equation 1, 2, in the place of 1 by x we will take m plus 2 by 3 and here we will take n. 1 by y is nothing but n we will write in the numerator and 1 by 6. So simplify this equation, that is here in the denominator we have 1, 3 and 6. The LCM of 1, 3 and 6 is 6. How? Here 3 and 6. 3 and 6 goes with table 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, and 1 and 2 won't go with any same table. So we will multiply. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. LCM is 6. So multiply 6 both the sides. So what happens, roughly I am doing here, no need to write these all things, into 6 into 6 into 6. So here 6 twos are 12m. This 6 into 6 into 6 no need to show in the paper, but roughly you can do with pencil. 6 twos are 12m plus here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, it cancels. So here remains 2 and 2 twos are 4. 4n equal to this 6 cancels, 1 remains. So consider this as equation 3. And next substitute in the second equation 1 by x as m. Here 3 and 1 by x is m plus 2 into 1 by y is n, that is equal to 0. Consider this as equation 4. Now solve this. How to solve this? Here we have coefficients of m are different, 12 and 3. Here coefficient of n also different, so any one we will make equal. So I am going to make n values are equal. So 2 I am multiplying to equation 3 and 4 I am multiplying to equation 4. So how to write? Multiply equation 3 by 2 and equation 4 by 4. That means 12 twos are 24m plus 4 twos are 8n equal to 2 ones are 2. Next 4 threes are 12m plus 4 twos are 8n equal to 4 into 0, 0. Now how to solve this? Here both the coefficients are same, but both the signs are same. So what to do? 8 plus 8, 16 it becomes, but we want to cancel this. So to cancel this, one should be negative. One sign should be positive, another is negative. So what to do? If both the signs are same, we know, subtract. Subtract equation, this is 5, this is 6. Equation 6 from 5. So what happens here? Subtract equation 4 and that is 24m plus 8n is equal to 2 and 12m plus 8n equal to 0. While subtracting, second equation signs will be changed. So 24 minus 12, that is 12m. 24 minus 12 is 12. Bigger number is 24. Sign is positive. So positive sign. Here 1 is positive, another is negative. Plus 8 minus 8, 0. So no need to write, it cancels. And 2 plus 0, 2 minus 0, whatever the answer will be 2. Therefore m is equal to 2 by 12. Therefore m is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 times, 1 by 6. Now substitute m is equal to 1 by 6 in equation 3, or in this any one equation also you can substitute. Okay, I will take equation 6 also you can take equation 6. So equation 6 is 12m plus 8n equal to 0. So 12 into, in the place of m substitute 1 by 6 plus 8n equal to 0. 6 ones are 6 twos are 2 ones are 2 plus 8n equal to 0. So 8n is equal to, well this is positive and here also positive, while taking this 2 here this becomes negative 2. So n is equal to negative 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2 4 times. So therefore n is equal to negative 1 by 4. So after finding value of m and n, we have to resubstitute. That means resubstitute, what is that? M is equal to 1 by x and n is equal to 1 by y. That is m is equal to 1 by x, right? So in the place of m, we will substitute the value 1 by 6. So in the place of m, write 1 by 6 and 1 by x. If 1 by 6 is 1 by x, x equal to 6. Numerator and denominator are equalized. And similarly n is equal to 1 by y. We know the value of n. N is negative 1 by 4 equal to 1 by y. So here you be careful, 1 and 1 can be equalized. So this negative sign we will take. So n is equal to 1 by y. So negative 1 by 4. The value is negative 1 by 4. But here 1 and 1 we have to equalize. So negative sign we are taking in the denominator. We can take anywhere. So this negative sign taken in denominator. Therefore y is equal to negative 4. So the solution of the given simultaneous equation is xy is equal to 6 and negative 4. Full statement you have to write. The solution of the given simultaneous equation is xy is equal to 6 and negative 4.